Good morning, Sairam to all. How are you all? I hope you are in good health, happy at your places. I I know you all are preparing very well at your homes, practicing the questions daily. Very good. Those who are doing this, I appreciate their hard work, my dear students. The practice which you are doing during lockdown at your homes will definitely, I can say, will definitely help you in your 7th standard. Okay, it will not go waste. Don't think about that. You will, it will be beneficial for you all in your 7th standard. So keep practicing what is being taught, what you want, what you are doing at home. Learn the formulas, keep progressing. Okay, right. So I hope everything is very good. Okay, so today we are going to continue the same chapter, that is chapter number 10, that is mensuration, right? We were doing chapter number 10. We have completed 10.1, 10.2, and we have half completed the chapter, that is 10.3, right? So today we are going to start the same exercise, that is 10.3. Okay, tell me, what is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Very good. Very good. Length into breadth. What is area of square? Area of square is side into side. Very good, my dear students. I know you all are learning at home. You know the definition of perimeter, formula for perimeter, formula for rectangle, square, perimeter, whatever is taught. Okay. So we are going to start the question number 10 of exercise 10.3. Question number 9 up to we have already discussed in our previous class. So we are going to discuss the question number 10 with you all again. Not again, today. Yes, we have the question 10. By splitting the following figures into rectangles, find their areas. The measures are given in centimeter. Okay, you have to what? You have to break this figure into rectangles. It is clearly told to you that you have to make rectangle for these figures and you have to find their areas. Okay, so we have this first question, we have this second question. These figures you all have to break into rectangle. Okay, you have to make rectangle for these figures and find in this figure only you have to make rectangles and you have to find the areas for them. So we have the first figure here. It is given in such a way like this, this. But what you all have to do? You all have to find area for all these figures. So it is very clear here that you have to make rectangle. So it was very easy. They have taken dash 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 here. So it is one rectangle, right? But for second rectangle we have to look at this figure. Okay, yes or no? But for making this as a rectangle, what we have to do? We have to construct a dotted line. Okay, because then only we will able to make it as a rectangle. So what we have done? We have what we have done? We have constructed the dotted lines here. Okay, you can see here we have made dotted lines here, this, and we have complete this as one rectangle. Now it is also become one rectangle and this is also become one rectangle. Now what happened? As we have constructed the dotted lines here in this portion, so this will also be joined with that dotted lines and it will also make another rectangle. and this is the left rectangle and this is the another rectangle. So we have here 4 rectangles, right? Yes. So it is very easy. First we will look for this rectangle which will help you here. Okay, we will look for this rectangle. That is, name is you can give name according to yourself. If it is given, then it is okay. If you have constructed the dotted lines, then you have to only give the names to this. So first we will go for this rectangle. Okay, this is given, that is A, B and C and D. Okay, you know that one is the length and other is the breadth. Okay, so here it is given that it is 4 centimeter and its breadth is, length and breadth is 2 and 4. Okay, so for this rectangle A B C D, we have length 2 and breadth 4. So we have for this here that area of ABCD, we have length is here 2 and breadth is here 4. So we have L into B, that is 8 centimeter square. You can see here it was given here also that, yes, see, it is given here 2. Okay, and we have constructed the dotted line here. So what, so it see, you can see here it was here how much, 4, right? And here is how much it is 2, because this is the complete 4, and if we will make it half, then it will become 2, right? Yes. And here it is length we have is 2 and breadth we have 4. So it has become 2 into 4 is, that is 8 centimeter square. Okay, now coming to the next figure, we will move to this figure, that is F, E, D and this point G. F, E, D and G. Because this complete was 4, so half has become 2. So its length will be what? See, you can see here it has become 3. Not become, I think it is already given to you. It is 3, and its height is also how much? Sorry, its breadth is also, breadth is how much? You can look here. How much is breadth? It is 3, because see, you can see here this complete is 4, and this is this much, and this is this much. So if it is 1, then how much will be this? So 4 minus 1 will be 3. So this part we have this part we have as 3. Okay, and this is 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So this complete height is 4. So this 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is 3 here length. So we have 3 into 3. Okay, this is 3 given to us already here, and this will become 3 because 1 is up and this is 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4, and this is complete 4. Okay, right? So we have area for FEDG is 3 into 3, that is 9 centimeter square. Now moving to this rectangle, we have H, K, L, M. This is another rectangle. First we will look for this. We have length 3 and breadth 2, right? I think 2 or 3. No, this is the complete 4. When we will make it difference, if it is 1, so jo 4 minus 1 will be 3. This will be 3 and this will be 3, and this is how much? This is also 3, because this complete is, see, this complete is 4. We have make dotted lines here. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So we have breadth here as 3. Okay, this 3, 3. But what is this here? This here also we have what? It is also 3. How? Because this complete, you can see here, this complete is here 7, and what is this here? This is 4. It means 7 minus 4. What is the left portion we have? left portion we have is 3. So this is 3, this is also 3, and 3 into 3 is 9 centimeter square. Okay, because it complete is given to us, this is 7, so this is 4, to 7 minus 4 is 3, so this much left is 3 portion, and this is 4. 7 plus 3 is 4, so length is also 3 here for this, and breadth is also 3 here. Okay, so it is 3 into 3, that is 9 centimeter square. Now we have A, B, C, D. Where is A? A, B, A, B, C, D. So it will be 4 into 2, that is 8 centimeter square. So all the 4 we have find, and which is remaining, that is area of this small triangle I, J, G, H. It is 2 and 1. So 1 multiply 2 is 2 centimeter square. It is very easy. If you will do in notebook, you will able to understand. Okay, just see the complete centimeter, and if half is asked, make the half of that. Okay, it is very easy, you can do it. So we have all the areas for this figures: 9 centimeter square, 2 centimeter, 9 centimeter square, 8 centimeter square. Adding this, the total area of the figure of the rectangles we have, that is 28 centimeter square. Now we have the next question. This is given to us, it is very easy. We have this was not given, the dotted lines, we have made dotted lines here and here also. Okay, this we have length 3, and breadth here we have, that is 2, but 2 is the complete one. So complete one was 2, half we have taken as 1 here, and it will be 2 here. Okay, because this complete figure is 3, so half will be 1, and another left is already given, that is 2. Okay, so we will make the figures like this here, that is, look at, first of all we will look at the figure, it is not understandable. Okay, yes, this is the figure. First make dotted lines here. Make dotted lines here and here. Okay, it is easy. Now here the area for this will be 3 into 1, and area for this figure will be 2 into 1, right? Now, but we have to, now this rectangle is left, now we have to find the area for this rectangle also. This is also 3 into 1, and this is also 3 into 1. Okay, but here we have the short portion, this the short rectangle, this will be also 3 into 1. Look how, because this complete figure is what? Complete figure is 5, but it will be what? Because half here is 1, and here also 1, so 5 minus 2 will be 3. Okay, so look at this figure. We have area for ABCD. This is A, B, and C, D. It will be how much? This is the length, that is 3, and breadth is here given to us. Oh, this is 1. Okay, so 3 into 1 is 3 centimeter square. Now we have area of BDEF, that is BDEF. Okay, this was given to us. So the complete line is 3, and it is given 2 here, and it will be 1 here. Okay, so we have to find that what is the length here. Length here we have 3, and breadth here we have dotted lines. From dotted lines we have made, that will be 1. Okay, again I am explaining. We have the figure B, D, F, E, F. Okay, we have the length here, how much? We have the length here 3. Okay, but what is the breadth here? See, this complete line is 3, and this complete line also 3, but how much this portion is given? This portion is given 2. तो जो इतना बचेगा, how much will be this one? This will be 1 centimeter, right? Okay, so and this will, if it is 1, then it will be also 1, because it is a rectangle, तो ये भी 1 हो जाएगा. So it will be, length will be 3 and breadth will be 1. So this is also 3 centimeter square, this is also 3 centimeter square. Okay, now moving to the FGHI. FGHI. Okay, now here we have this length, we know that is, this is 3, And what is the breadth here? Breadth is here, this much is 1. Okay, yes, so it will be also 3 into 1, 3 centimeter square. Now we will find the total area of the figure. For the complete figure, we have area for all the figures. We will add up all the figure. 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that will be 9 centimeter square. Okay, now we have next question. Question number 11. Split the following shapes into rectangles and find their area. Now again you have to split them into rectangles and you have to find the area for them. So first question we have, it is very easy. We have splitted only from here. This part you can see dotted line is there. Now it is given 2 here. So dotted line also will 2 because opposite sides are equal in rectangle. We have this shape. If it is 2, then it is also 2. If it is 10, then this will also be 10 because this complete is given 12. Okay, so this much portion will be 10 only. So first figure we have area as ABCD is 2 multiply 10. Length into breadth, that is 2 into 10, that is 20 centimeter square. Now moving to this rectangle we have. Same, again it is given here 10 to you. This is given 10 to you and this is also given, that is breadth is also 2. Okay, so it will be what? Because see, this complete is 12, no? And if we are taking area for this much, then it will be 10 and remaining will be 2. So if it is 2, then it will also be 2 because opposite sides are equal. So area of rectangle DEFG will be 2 into 10 into 2, that is 20 centimeter square. Now adding all complete figure that we have 20 plus 20, we get 40 centimeter square. Okay, you can see again in this figure it is already given. We can make dotted lines here. So now we can find easily that what is the length. Length we have 10 and breadth we have 2. So 10 into 2 is 20. Okay, we cannot take this. We have to take length as a 10 and breadth as a 2. So 2 into this, and if it is 2, then it will also be 2, right? But so we have length, breadth and length how much, and this is, it is already told that this much is 10 centimeter. 12 तो ये पूरा है and half is this much is 10 centimeter already given. So 10 into 2 here and again here also 10 into 2, it is 40. So total is 40 centimeter square. Now moving to the next, we have the square figures here. It is very easy. This is, make squares for all these here. Dotted lines you make and make square. It is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. We have total 5 squares. So we will find area for 1 square, that is there are 5 squares, each of side 7 centimeter. We will find area for 1 square we have, that is side into side we have the formula 7 into 7. We will get 49 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area for 5 squares. So we have, for one area we have 49 as a area. So for 5 squares is how much? 49 is getting multiplied with 5. So it will be 245. Now we have the next question. We have to find the again for same thing for this figure also. So how we will do? We will make, we have to make rectangles, right? Yes. So we have here ABCD, that is ABCD. This is given to us and it is very clear that we will join all these figures. So it will be how much? Length will be this how much? 5 and breadth is how much? 1. So we have area of rectangle ABCD, that is length into breadth, that is 5 into 1, that is 5 centimeter square. Okay. Now coming to the next area of rectangle EFGH here. Okay. We have this rectangle here again. Now the side is already given to us, that is 4. Okay, and here this is given to us. What is this last portion given? That is 1 centimeter here down. Okay, this is given here 1 centimeter. So we have area of rectangle EFGH, that is 4 multiplied by 1, that is equals to 4 centimeter square. This is this given, and this is how much given? That is 1. Because you can observe here this complete is 5, तो ये भी पूरा 5 होना चाहिए, राइट? तो 2 और 2 इज गिवन, 2 + 2 4 हो गए, तो 1 कहाँ बचेगा? 1 विल बी रिमेनिंग हेयर. तो ओके, तो इट विल बी 1. तो जो इसका नीचे का सॉरी सो जो इसका नीचे का पोर्शन होगा, actually I can't put it down because this brush is coming, so that will be also 1. So 1 1, and this is 4 the length. So 4 into 1 is 4 centimeter square. So area of total figure is 5 plus 4, that is 9 centimeter square. Now we have the next question, that is the last question of the exercise. How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter respectively will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth are respectively? Okay, two rectangle shapes are given whose length and breadth is 12, 5, and another who is given, that is 100 centimeter and 144. So it is telling how many tiles will be needed to cover the rectangular region of for this length and breadth. So it means what we will do, we will find area for both the figures and we will divide them, right? So we have the area of region, that is for first one also you can count, because we or second, anything you can count first. So we are going for rectangular region we have to cover, that is area is 100 into 144 centimeter. So we will multiply both, we will get 144 and 2 zeros, so it will be in centimeter square. Now we will count the area for one tile, that is we have already given, that is 5 into 12, so it will be 60 centimeter square. Now we have to cover the complete area region which is greater, that is length and breadth given, that 100 and 144. So what we will do, we will divide both the things. Okay, so number of tiles will be equal to area of the region divided by area of one tile. So we have 14,400 divided by 60. 0 से 0 cancel out, and it will be 6 2 are 12, 6 4 are 24, and 0 will remain as it is. So thus we have to cover 240 tiles. It means 240 tiles are required. It is very easy, just find the area for both the things and divide them. Okay, again we are having same thing, that is B part. 70 centimeter and 36 centimeter. First we will find area for this. Area of region is 70 centimeter multiply 36 centimeter. When we will multiply both the things, we will get 20 centimeter square. Now we have area of one tile that is given to us, that is 12 and 5. So 12 5 is 60 centimeter square. Now coming down, we have number of tiles we have equals to area of the region upon area of one tile, because we have to cover both the things. Okay, so how much tiles will be required? So thus we are dividing both the things. So area of region divided by area of one tile. So we have region, we have how much space is there, that 25 to 20, and divided by 60 we will get 42 tiles. Okay, yes, 0 so 0 cancel out, and divide 252 by 6. So we will get answer as 6 4 is 24. 1 will come there as a remainder, and it will 2 we will take down. So 6 2 is 12. So we have 42 tiles are required for this, and 240 tiles are required for such type of area. Okay, so I hope everything is clear for today's session. So this was the chapter. We are ending here today. That is chapter number 10. Mensuration is now completed. Now it is your duty that you have to go through it, practice the questions, whatever is taught, formulas, queries, problems related to this chapter at home. Do yourself and complete in your notebooks also. Okay. So Sai Ram, take care of yourself. We will meet in our next class.